Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is like super unexpected because my birthday was this past weekend on Sunday the 21st. Happy birthday to me. And my sister got me the new Fenty Beauty Killawatt foil highlighter palette, and I was not expecting this. Like, I was surprised when I opened my gift, and I was super excited because I love everything Fenty Beauty. Everything I've tried, I literally have kept and use all the time. This is a really nice gift, and I was so surprised, and I didn't even like know that it was already out because I'm really not like up on game like that. I'm so happy. So I was like, perfect time. I'm gonna do a swatch video on my chocolatey skin, and I'm gonna pick one to actually use on my face because I have on a full face with just no highlighter, and I live for highlighters. So I have two different brushes that I would use to highlight with in my palette. I'm going to do some swatches on my arm. If you are wondering about my hairstyle, I have a video on this ponytail. I will link it in the cards and down below in the box, so no need to worry. Oh man, I'm so happy. I am so happy. I am so happy because I was not going to buy this because I'm a cheapskate, and I really just like, oh, my hand's ashy? I don't think so. I think they're okay. I don't know. We'll see. Ashy means you're clean, right? So whatever. So this is the Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Palette, and it literally has 7 highlighter shades in the palette. You guys don't know, highlighting is my favorite thing to do. Like, I don't put on eyeshadow, rarely ever. I bronze, I contour, and I highlight. Like, that's it. I can have on a bare face, lip gloss, mascara, and highlighter is what I will do on a hot summer day, okay? So enough of this long talking. The palette is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And the colors that I wouldn't highlight with, I can obviously use on my lid, but we're gonna just test it out today. So it has this full, huge mirror. I'm sorry, I'm gushing right now because this is a gift that I did not expect to get. Oh my gosh. Let me come closer and show you guys what it really looks like. I turned my lighting down as much as possible so you guys can really see the true colors of my skin and of the highlighters. So I'm literally gonna swatch them. I didn't want to touch the freaking pans. I'm gonna swatch them and show them to you guys right now, like literally. I don't want to swatch it. Oh my god. So starting off, we have Scandal Ice, which is like this icy blue color, and it has no glitter. And then we have Chills, which is like a silver color and it has glitter in it. Then we have Honey Slope, which is like a gold color but a little bit more orange. Then we have Cop and Ice, which is really copper with glitter. Then we have Heartburn, which is like a brown purpley beautiful shade. Then we have Sub Zero, which is this like blue with glitter. Then we have Stone Cold, which is beautiful. It's like the silvery one in the middle, and it has a lot of glitter. Hope that you guys could see this at least a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to play on my face. So the one in the middle, I thought it was gonna be way too bright and silvery for my skin tone, and it's called Stone Cold. But looking at the swatch, I'm like, I need that on my face right now. Like, for real. It's so beautiful on my hand. Oh my gosh. I'm probably gonna mix some because I really don't know what to do. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna put Stone Cold first because I just think it's so beautiful on my wrist. I'm just like tapping it so lightly because it's so pigmented. Oh wow. Okay. There's a mirror on the palette and I put the palette down. Okay, get my life. Oh nah, this is beautiful. And this is Stone Cold, the one that I thought I would not use, one of the ones. But the only thing I would say is that it's very glittery, and I'm not like a huge glitter person, but it does look really good. Wow. It actually looks beautiful on the face. And it really doesn't take any, like, this is gonna last you your whole life. Like, it took less than a dab to complete it. I hope you guys can really see the gleam that I'm getting from this. So, and that's Stone Cold. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I'm feeling like just testing it out. This is literally just me playing in this makeup and seeing what's good. Wow, it's really pretty. It looks almost like holographic on the face, and it has like that purpley, silvery, supernatural look to it. I always go for golds, like always golds and like rose golds and more golds on my highlight. So for me to have on this silver highlight and feel like I'm popping, I hope that you guys can see on the camera. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, let me move on. I'm going too slow. Looking at my hand swatches, I think I'm going to use, should I put on Honey Slope? No, I'm gonna do Cop and Ice. Honey Slope looks a little bit yellow on my wrist, so I'm gonna do Cop and Ice. That's what I meant. Cop and Ice, because Cop and Ice looks like it's up my alley, like for real. So I'm just gonna dab it. Ironically, Cop and Ice also has glitter, so some of them have glitter, some of them don't. FYI. So I'm just dabbing it in there. Ooh, this is beautiful, guys. Okay, can you guys see it? This copper is really up my alley. See, I think what I would do with the glitter shades is use it on top of some other highlights just to kind of like bring it all together and make it be bam. And it really like hugs your face, like with the glitter, it just like hugs your face like crazy. So I would probably use it on top of a smoother highlighter. This is pretty. Oh wow. Oh nah, I like both sides. The copper one, the Cop and Ice, is like more me, so I feel like okay, comfortable with it on, like it's just like me but more vibrant. This one is a little bit different, but it's still really pretty. Like this one almost feels more like toned down compared to Cop and Ice. So I'm gonna mix them. So on top of the Stone Cold, I'm gonna actually put I'm gonna put Scandal Ice, because Scandal Ice is a purpley color and I think it'll go well with Stone Cold. And Scandal Ice is this one, or Scandalous. I don't know, child. This is some new level stuff. I'm not privy to. So, and this also has glitter. Oh my god, it's so funny. So I'm gonna put on Scandalous or Scandalize or whatever. Oh nah, this is next level. This is Who Are You Talking To? My highlight is blinding you. I don't know you. This is beautiful. I'm blocking the camera. This is beautiful. I have to come close because you guys probably can't even really see how beautiful this is. So if you're dark skinned and you're worried about it being, the colors being too bright or silvery or ashy, like Rihanna wasn't playing, because it really isn't too much on my skin tone. It might be a little bit too much for like everyday wear, but the copper is up my alley. But the Stone Cold and Scandalized might be a little bit too, you know, Bright Bite Glitter Glitter Purple Purple for everyday. So I'm looking in the mirror now, straight ahead. And obviously the copper suits my dark skin more than the bluish, purpley, silver tone colors. But I still love it. Like, so on top of the copper, I'm gonna actually try out Heartburn because I'm curious as to how it'll look on me. And Heartburn is this, I want to say mauve. It's not mauve, but it's just this like beautiful purpley mauvey color. And it has no glitter. So I'm going to put it actually on top of Cop and Ice just because I want to know if what it's going to do and how it'll look on my skin. Oh yeah. So I would probably put this on first and then Cop and Ice. But it is so pretty that like they go together so well. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna come up there right now. I'm gonna come up there right now. I'm coming, guys. I'm gonna put some on my eyelid area, blend it out a little bit. And I'm gonna come because y'all need to see this. So for the middle of my nose highlight, just to try out a different color, let me try to put on Honey Slope. Because I'm not gonna put the blue on right now. I tried on Scandalous. I tried on Stone Cold. Chills is just like straight silver. So I'm not gonna put on my face right now. I think for my nose, I'm gonna try Honey Slope just to see how it look on my skin. So Honey Slope is again this like orangey, peachy color. Not peach at all, it's like an orangey color. Finger application to my nose just to see what it'll look like. And because it doesn't have glitter in it like the other ones, it's pretty like muted and almost like a more natural tone. Like it looks super natural. Y'all can't see. So this Honey Slope, it's almost like blending with my skin and giving a light glow, which is interesting. Yeah, it's a really light gold glow. Cool. So I apply my fingers. I like that. It is, I don't know if you guys can even see it. You see it's like a really, really light gold glow, and it has no glitter from what I can tell. It's just all shimmer. So on my nose, I put Honey Slope. Now I kind of want some more gleam. So on top of Honey Slope, I'm gonna put Cop and Ice, just because I feel like it, just to see. And Cop and Ice is more foily. It doesn't seem very glittery. Me and this thing in front of the mirror. So I'm just gonna dust my nose with Cop and Ice, just to turn me into a glow ball. Cause that's what you buy highlighter palettes for, to be a glow. Oh yes, and even though I have on 2 different freaking highlights, I still feel popping as hell. So we are real up close and personal, and I turned the lighting down just to give you guys a little bit of an idea of what the colors look like in a more natural setting on my melanin, okay? I wear the color 430 in the Fenty foundation just for reference. So this side is where we have the Scandalous and we have Stone Cold. So I put on Stone Cold first, which is very glittery and gleamy, and then I put on top, I put on Scandalous. So I hope that you guys can see that. See, it's very blue and cool toned. So for my skin, I'm not used to that, but I think it does really flatter me. And for me, it looks more natural almost. But mind you, none of this is gonna look natural. This is like bam, 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 okay? And then on this side, This is more my speed. It's more of the copper tone. And we have Cop and Ice and Heartburn, which is going to be a favorite. This is absolutely freaking gorgeous. Like, what? Like, who are you talking to? Like, what's really going on? Like, I mean, come on. Come on. Come on. What's good? That's how I feel right now on this side. Like, what's really good? Don't mind the application. I'm just testing it out, playing around. Let me know down below what side you guys like better, because I feel like for a signature Lexi look, it's the copper side. I love browns and coppers and mustards, but for this side, this is like, wait, I'm a new girl and you can't tell me nothing, baby. And then on my nose, it's a super subtle highlight, which I'm surprised the palette actually has one that's subtle for my skin tone, and that's Honey Slope on my nose. And then on top of Honey Slope, I just put Cop and Ice a little bit to kind of amp it up. Honey Slope was pretty muted. So I put on my face 5 highlighters just to give you guys like an idea of what it looks like on brown skin, dark skin, pop and melanin or whatever. I did not try out Sub-Zero or Chills on my face, but I low key want to, like, for real. Well, we're here now. So I'm gonna actually put Sub-Zero, which is the blue color. I hope it's not too dark for you guys. I'm gonna put it on my finger, and this one does have glitter, it looks like. I'm just gonna, what do I do with this, guys? I'm gonna put it on my lid just to see the color payoff. With Fenty, everything really does seem like super sheer and buildable, and then you can always wet it as it says on the website. But I don't think I'd put this on my face as a highlighter, but it really is flattering for dark skin. Okay, and then Chills is the super silver, almost white color right here. Gonna put it on a different finger. Yeah, this thing is white, child. Just to see how it'll look. And this almost has the same holographic type of look that Stone Cold and Scandalous have, which makes sense. If it's Scandal is Scandal Ice, don't be asking me. I ain't Rihanna, and I don't read too much of these press information to find out the proper pronunciations. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So I officially look crazy as hell, but you guys have like literally all 7 swatches on one face, and I feel really beautiful still. I'm gonna take pictures still. If you guys have tried the palette, let me know down below. Let me know your favorite highlight color from the palette. If you're gonna buy it, let me know. If you enjoyed this makeup video, let me know. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video, helps me be seen, helps me grow, all that stuff. I'm still hella close, still hella dim in this room right now. But I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.